Yeah. No, I'm posting on the roof with the booth running to. Gotta get in the mood. No, I'm rocking the feelings. Yeah. And boy, sipping tea. Yo, the fuck.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend and bet he doesn't kiss, yeah. Why? He gon' find another girl and he gon' miss, yeah. He gon' squirt and think the devil Wiz Khalifa.
I'm mining. Mob so icy, wonder why they kill me. I'm just mining in water, I just fell in a hole. Now I'm crying.
Juice, sauce, little bit of dressing, ice, wrist, little bit of flex.
Sometimes I feel I've got to run away, I've got to.
Everyone on this app is saying that they're gamer girls, but they're actually not. I am a real gamer girl, and I'm just, I don't know, I want to show proof. Pink, pink. Shit.
I baked you a pie.
Oh boy, what flavor?
Pie.
Dad, I'm hungry.
I'm hungry, I'm bad.
Why did you name me this way? Why?
Take 2 steps forward if you don't know how to count. Take 2 steps forward if you don't have a sense of direction. Take 2 steps forward if you don't know why you joined TikTok.
Shit about to get real for real.
DA got that go.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. He gon' find another girl and he won't miss ya. He gon' skirt then hit the dub like Wiz Khalifa.
Proceed.
Exhibit A. Here's a modern day phone. Recognize it? Here's a phone from 150 years ago. Big difference, right? Stay with me. Here's a car from today. And here's a car from 150 years ago. Big difference, right? Well, get this. Here's a classroom.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. He gon' find another girl and he won't miss ya. He gon' skirt then hit the dub like Wiz Khalifa.
Watch me fucking get it. You will see, ayy. You will see. Playing tennis on the Wii.
Choose your courage.
Watching porn, blowing on my dick like a basset horn, jizz on your mom like a snowstorm. I've been fucking bitches since I was a newborn. Row your boat. Little barnacle is the fucking.
I don't need help. Then show me your arm. There's nothing wrong with me. Then show me your arm.
Bands, that's a check talking. Take all your pants, bitch, ain't no time for talking. Want me do my dance, bands in my pocket. Come and get your mans, far up my rocket. Oh, bands, that's a check talking.
Watch me fucking get it. You will see, ayy. You will see. Playing tennis on the Wii.
Hush, 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 blush, blush, blush.
You are now my big fat crush.
I'm single as I can be. You're single, perfect for me. I'm Then I give you a bunch of reasons why you should date me. Reason number one, I'm super hot.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V.
Have you heard of LGBTQ+? Well, I'm already Tracer.
Tripaloski, 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 Adidas Lasowski, Adidas Lasowski.
Here's a dance you ought to do. Let me introduce to you posing. Everybody
Mob so icy, wonder why they kill me. I'm just mining in water, I just fell in a hole. Now I'm crying. I'm mining, I'm mining. Mob so icy, wonder why they kill me. I'm just mining in water, I just fell in a hole. Now I'm crying.
Yeah, well, y'all chill, boy. Shit about to get real, for real.
DA got that go.
I'm mining, I'm mining. Mob so icy, wonder why they kill me. I'm just mining in water, I just fell in a hole. Now I'm crying.
Set up a motor, we need more seats. We just sold out all the floor seats.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick.
Take me to your Xbox to play Fortnite today. You can take me to Moisty Mire, but not Loot Lake. I really love to chug with you. We can be pro Fortnite gamers.
Choose your character.
Bum 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 bum. Mr. Sandman.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Bum 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 bum.
How to use correct pronouns for a gender fluid person. Go. Masculine clothing? He, him. Contouring? Masculine? He, him. Feminine clothing? Makeup? She, her. Something that looks kind of in the middle? They, them. Not sure? Ask.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Hey, Dad.
Hey.
I just got home from school.
Okay. We can see that.
You guys won't believe the kind of awesome day I had at school today. So let's just jump into it. Number 5, pizza for lunch.
Hey, whoa, yo. Hit him, No bitch, no bitch. Hey, you finna die, baby.